My name is Desiree Bolden. I work for Akron Public Schools. I'm the manager of Extended Learning. Extended Learning is all about the things that happen outside the regular school day. Summer is a perfect example, and here at Safety Town, we're working with kindergartners and first graders, exploring all the components of safety with our partners. The Carillon West United Church of Christ is the leader in gathering all these partners, and we came along to help support recruiting children and families into this process. We have City of Akron, Akron Police Department, Akron Fire Department, Summit DD, and Children's Hospital, and Goodyear as partners, wrapping around our students, our children, so that they can be safe while they're in their neighborhoods and their communities.
Well, I am Lieutenant Sergi Lash. I'm with the Akron Fire Department Community Services Office, and we're here for Safety Town this week. It's Akron Police Department, Akron Fire Department.
You have to ask your parents before you take vitamins, because they might taste good, they might smell good, and they look like candy. But if you eat too many of them, it can make you sick.
Today we got partners that are coming in to teach the kids about poison danger. We did Fire Truck Day. We learned about the fire trucks.
Has anybody ever seen a fireman in all their full gear? No? Okay, well I'm gonna get all dressed up so you can see how I look and how I sound.
Did you guys remember to say hi to the firemen? Hi. Oh, back here with me, please. The yellow line.
Here's your coat. Put it on. Hurry, the house is on fire. Hurry, Elijah. Hurry. Wait, nope. Let him do it. Let him do it. Could you imagine being a fireman? Hurry, Elijah. Grab these so you can get it on. Grab the other one.
There you go. What do you think?
Your foot in there. Here we go.
There you go. Further up.
Hold your pants up. Thank you. Okay, walk this way. Come on, walk this way. That's the way to go, Ian.
What do we do on the ambulance? We take care of sick people and people that are injured, right? So let's play a game. Okay, so if we're at home with mom or dad and mom won't wake up, do we call 911? Yeah, okay.
We learned about our ambulance, and we went through our fire safety smokehouse so that the kids can learn how fire safety should be used in their own homes.
We're gonna pretend she's got fire on her shirt. What should she do? Kitty said she needs to stop. What does she do next? Drop. Then what does she do? Then what does she do? Good job. Can we clap for Officer Nato?
We learned about stop, drop, and roll and cover your face.
Show us how it's done. Good job.
But we want to make sure our kids are safe in Akron. We've got so many accidents, so many unintentional injuries going on that we want our children to be able to equip themselves as well as share the information with their families.
How about if I go to my neighbor's house and I'm gonna use the phone and I know it's only 3 numbers and it calls the emergency number, which brings the fire department, and it's 191, right?
No. So Ronaldo has his numbers mixed up, so we're going to sing a song, and I want you guys to put your listening ears on, because when we're done singing, I want you to sing back to Ronaldo so he knows the right number to call for help, okay?
My house is on fire, my house is on fire. What shall I do? What shall I do? Call the fire department, call the fire department. 911, 911.
Okay, nice and loud. Let's sing to Ronaldo. Here we go.
Hopefully by the time they go home on Friday and leave us after 5 days, they're a little more smart, a little more experienced, and have some knowledge that will be able to help themselves as they go into kindergarten.
Don't miss any stories about the schools you love. Like our page on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more APS All Access.